phasa ngwana omunye. Don't be selfish, man. Aye. Ball in the middle, tsamaya. Ball goes to the right, ball rotation. Touch the I tinte motho mole. Ball comes back. Now Sundowns failed to do this now in this game, just like the Pirates when they played against Richards Bay. Ball touch there, Sebakatele, it's going to open up. Now, kuvulekile, watch. Ta. Aw mara Mateo mfana ngithi. Unangu mfaba bafethu. Let me take it back. Even before he started to think about shooting. Yeah? He's all alone. Mfana ngithi phasa omunye umntwana. Phasa omunye umntwana. Why do you want to come here? What you want to do, it's more difficult than usaleng lento azoyenza la. Uyamnikeza la and he's left-footed. Why do you decide to shoot? Why do you decide to shoot? He's all alone. Uziyakhangeza omunye umntwana. Like why suka. Bamufa Mateo. Pass the ball. Mateo, trap the ball and pass the ball. If you pass him the ball, bese uyamround. It's 2 against 1. Pass him the ball. You pass him the ball, he's left-footed. There's 2 Sundowns players here. There's space la. You push the ball. Pass him the ball, then round. Steal. Now look at what Mateo does. But we deserve better.